Wagwan guys, look, one of the most practical ways you can actually start making money this year, even if you don't have any money, you don't have any kobo save, is by selling cars. Selling cars is capital intensive. Yeah, you don't have to buy the cars and put them on the market to sell. You can sell other people's cars. What you need to do is quite simple. Just walk into a car lot in your area, in your adubo, and then have a conversation with the person there. Tell them that you are interested in helping them sell their cars. So you can brand yourself as a car dealer online, or you can start making content around cars. They would let you shoot the content. From experience, they are always very happy. Anything that you want to do to sell the cars. For car dealers, a car can actually be sitting in their lot for 3 months, for 6 months, and not get sales. Yeah, there are car dealers that claim that they make sales way faster, but most of them don't make sales that fast. So they actually incur the cost of buying the car and putting it there. So you wanting to sell it for them is a win-win situation for you. So you can ask, okay, how much is the car? If they say maybe like the car is 12 million naira, you can market it online for maybe 12.5 million. And if their last price is maybe 11.5, your own last price will be maybe like 11.7 million naira. So once that sales is made, you can actually get 200,000 naira over, or you want to get the 11 million. Somebody bought the car now, you can get your own 200,000. If you can get maybe like 2 cars sold in a month or 1, that means like it's just a side hustle that comes in, and people start to know you as someone who sells cars. And it's good when you have good car knowledge. So they will let you take pictures of the car, make content with the car if you want to. You can have a dedicated page. You don't have to brand it as the name of the car lot. You're branding as a car dealer online. Maybe you might even grow that business to a point where you start shipping in your own cars. Do you understand? And they would actually give you room to bring your customers to come and check the cars. Nobody is going to charge you for that. If you're a banker, you're working, when some people contact you online, they want to buy the car, you can tell them, okay, we are at so place. Give them the address. Car dealers, they know how to deal in this. Maybe some might want to play you, but very few, they understand that part that they would say to you. So you just send the person to go and check the car at that car lot. If the person eventually pays the car dealer is going to give you your own commission, and the person will think, oh, they bought from you directly. Do you understand what I'm saying? The person can even know that it is the car dealer. In my own case, when I bought my car, I know that the person I'm conversing with is not the direct car dealer. Do you understand? So it's a normal thing in the car marketing space, whether Tokumbo or Nigerian used car in Nigeria. And I think this definitely should apply in other countries around the world, especially like in Africa. So once you get the price for each cars from the car dealer, you can start marketing them on your online platforms, especially maybe your WhatsApp status. There's a platform that people actually buy cars from a lot. It's Jiji. I know how frequently I scrolled through Jiji before buying my car that I bought about 2 months ago. It helps if you actually know about cars, so you don't market trashy deals, because car dealers by nature will always tell you the car is perfect. Although you are also becoming a car dealer in a way, but you should be honest with your own marketing. So if you are not doing maybe from your office, but like visit the car lot, check the car out yourself. I know how to check cars very well. So check the engine, check under it for rust. You can also learn more about how to check cars. It's something you can learn in a week. Yeah, although the experience that you have gotten for years is different from somebody that is just learning it. So it helps if you already have the experience. And this is not a male only or female only, although it seems male are more interested in cars. Yeah, if you are a female, your marketing is easier for you to market. So everything has advantage. So it is very important that you actually know about cars to a good degree yourself, because you don't want to be in a position where a customer is asking you questions about the car and you are looking confused. But even if you don't know about cars that much, remember that what you are just doing is you are serving more like an agent. The seller wants to sell, the buyer wants to buy, you are the middleman, you are directing the buyer to the car that they want to buy. For me, I paid the agent guy, I think 200k extra. I don't mind, because I got the car I wanted. Do you understand what I'm saying? So you need to be able to tell the true condition of maybe like a Nigerian used car, a Tokumbo car, and even know how to check if the documents and custom papers are valid. So the good thing is that you can learn most of these things online within a day, 2 days, or a few months, depending on how much you already know about cars. And it's honestly a solid method to start making money as a car dealer in Nigeria without the huge capital that usually comes with buying your own car to stock. I'm telling you this because I bought a car less than 2 months ago, and This was exactly what the dealer who sold it to me did. I actually saw the car on Jiji. I called him up and we met. Then he took me to the car lot to see it. But after I test drove it, like I said, I realized I didn't like it. So instead of him to just let me go, he started making calls to other car dealers. Like, once you start this package, you will start networking with car dealers. So if somebody asks you like, oh, do you have Prado 2022? Do you have Lexus 2015? What you do is, yes, I'll get back to you. Let me send you the pictures. Then you quickly make your findings in your cycle for your dealer network who has it. Then you send pictures to that person. Then once the person is interested in inspecting, you send the location. Do you understand? Like, you are just playing a middleman game. Then you can actually pay Jiji subscription. So customers are already searching on Jiji for cars. So you can just put your own cars that you take picture of there, and you make money. The dealers will even love you. Do you understand what I'm saying? Back to my guy who sold my car to me. So he started making calls. That was how he eventually took me to another dealer where I finally found the one that I wanted and I bought it. You can do the exact same thing too and make money either full-time or even just as a side hustle when you are doing other things. When you find a buyer, you just agree with the dealer on the price they want to collect for the car, and then you can add a little bit for yourself on top of that price, or you both agree on a specific commission that they will pay you once the deal is closed. Do you understand? People are always looking for cars, and if they see that you are someone who knows how to spot good cars, good engines, and you can verify the papers are genuine, they would actually trust you to help them find their next vehicle. It is all about relationships that you build and visibility of yourself online. Most of these dealers, I mean the dealers that actually have cars in their car lots, most of them are not good at marketing. So like, if you can actually do the marketing for them and using platforms like Jiji, it's a win for you, and you make customers feel comfortable that they are not buying a stolen car or a car that will give them a headache later on from you. Like, you'll be in business, you'll be cashing out, and maybe you should send me my own coffee when you start making more and more and more money. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.